Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's new arrivals, we are going to see Kalamkari cotton sarees for this upcoming summer. Beautiful Kalamkari cottons in mull cotton sarees with different styles of prints. All these sarees are priced at 790. Let's get started. All the sarees that I'm going to show you today are pure mull cotton sarees with very pretty vegetable dye Kalamkari prints. All these sarees are light in weight, easy to carry and perfect summer wear. I'm going to show you 20 sarees in today's video. We have many more unique designs and colors that have been uploaded in the website. To take a look at the entire collection and to shop online, please log on to www.prashantisarees.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. We undertake custom tailoring, fall and edging and embroidery. If you wish to get your blouses done, there's an option available right at the product page. You can click that. You can also reach out to our customer support team. We'll be more than happy to help you with your blouses. We are releasing new collections every day in the morning and in the evening. To stay on top of our new arrivals, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or sign up with our newsletter. First one for today, brick red with lavender. Beautiful saree with all over Kalamkari prints and floral pattern running throughout the body. A contrast Kalamkari printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a printed Kalamkari blouse, priced at 790. Blue with green, another beautiful saree with Kalamkari floral prints in the body, printed borders in Kalamkari style on either sides. A sap green printed pallu and a floral printed blouse, priced at 790. Beige, lovely color with floral prints in Kalamkari style, zigzag printed borders on either sides. That's the pallu, printed pallu, and a floral printed blouse, priced at 790. Orange, another lovely color with beautiful geometric prints along both sides of the borders, paisley prints running along the body. That's the pallu, printed pallu, and a floral printed blouse, priced at 790. Green with brick orange, a very pretty color combination with floral printed borders on either sides, Kalamkari prints running throughout the body, a contrast printed pallu in Kalamkari style, and a floral printed blouse, priced at 790. Maroon, another classic color. This has got floral Kalamkari prints with geometric and floral printed borders on either sides. A contrast Kalamkari printed pallu in blue, that's the pallu, and a floral printed blouse, priced at 790. Black, a stunning color with geometric printed borders, paisley prints running throughout the body, printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast floral printed blouse, priced at 790. Lavender with magenta, another beautiful saree with Kalamkari prints in the body, geometric and floral printed borders on either sides. That's the pallu, printed pallu in Kalamkari style, and a floral printed blouse, priced at 790. Brown with black, same as the one that I'm wearing today but a different color. This has got patola printed elephant buttas along both sides of the borders with beautiful prints in the body, printed pallu in black, and a Kalamkari printed blouse, priced at 790. Blue, a very pretty color with floral Kalamkari prints in the body, geometric printed borders on either sides, beautiful elephants and peacocks printed in Kalamkari style in the pallu, and a floral printed blouse, priced at 790. Black with maroon, another classic color combination with contrast floral printed borders. The body has got all over beautiful Kalamkari prints, a printed pallu in Kalamkari, and a floral printed blouse, priced at 790. Cream with maroon, very classy Bharat prints running along both sides of the borders, with the body having beautiful floral and Annapakshi peacock prints running throughout the body. Kalamkari printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a floral printed blouse, priced at 790. Mauve with mustard, one more beautiful saree with floral printed borders on either sides. The body has got very subtle Kalamkari prints running throughout the saree. A contrast printed pallu in mustard, that's the pallu, and a floral printed blouse, priced at 790. Green with magenta, another pretty color, with the body having beautiful Wadley and peacock prints running throughout the saree, floral printed borders on either sides. That's the pallu, Kalamkari printed pallu, and a floral printed blouse, priced at 790. Pastel blue with mustard, one more classy saree with Kalamkari prints running all over the body, geometric printed borders on either sides, a mustard Kalamkari printed pallu, and a matching blouse with Kalamkari prints, priced at 790. Mauve with black, a very classy saree with patola prints running in the body, Kalamkari printed borders on either sides, printed pallu in Kalamkari style, and a floral printed blouse priced at 790. Blue with green, one more pretty color with floral and peacock printed borders on either sides, Kalamkari prints running throughout the body. A contrast printed pallu with very pretty peacocks in Kalamkari style, and a floral printed blouse priced at 790. Green with mustard, another beautiful sari with contrast printed borders and Kalamkari prints in the body. Printed pallu, that's the pallu, very classy and elegant, and a floral printed blouse priced at 790. Coffee brown, the last one for today, classy sari with geometric printed borders and paisley prints in the body. Printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a floral printed blouse priced at 790. These were just few of the randomly picked sarees to showcase in today's video. Many more unique designs and colors have been uploaded in the website. To take a look at the entire collection and to shop online, please log on to www.prashantisarees.com. You can also click on the link that is given in the description box, which will directly take you to the collections page. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.